Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Maths class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine at home, Nana. Stay home, stay safe. Okay. And see, Nana, in this month you have examination, FA1 examinations on 29, 30, 31st. What is the maths portion for FA1 exam? Yes, first chapter. Only first chapter. Okay, Nana? First chapter and 2 to 20 tables. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days, I will send the revision sheets, Nana. So, you have to practice those revision sheets. If you have any doubt, you make a call to me, ma. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. And today, in today's class, I am going to do the revision. That means important concepts in the first chapter. Okay. Are you ready, children? Yes, come on, all of you take out your maths homework book. Not classwork, children, homework book. Why? Because we are doing FA1 revision. So, revision you have to write in the homework book. Take out your maths textbook and homework book. Okay. Come on, keep FA1 revision. Come on, all of you, keep FA1 revision in your homework book. Not came straightly. FA1 revision. Okay. So, what is the first concept? Yes, we have to write the number names in both Indo-Arabic system and international system. Indo-Arabic system means, yes, Indian system. Okay, ma? So, the first model is write the number names. Write the number names of the following number. Write along with me, Nana. The following numbers in both Hindu-Arabic system, Hindu-Arabic system is Indian system. Okay. Hindu-Arabic system and international system. Okay, ma? Write down along with me. So, we'll write the number names in both systems. So, the number is 430265849. Okay, ma? Note down this number, Nana. So, we will write one more digit also, 7. How to write this? Is a big number, no, Nana. It's a very, very easy. First, Indian system, that means Hindu-Arabic system. So, Hindu-Arabic system or Indian system. Both are same, Nana. So, in Indo-Arabic system, how we will write the number name? So, first you write down the number. Now, you will keep commas. Okay, Nana, start from the right side. First 3 digits after comma, then after 2 digits, then after 2 digits. Here 3 digits after comma, then after 2 digits, then after 2 digits. Okay, now you see, children. Come on, tell me the place value chart of the Indian system. Yes, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores, 100 crores. Okay, come on, tell me again. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. That means this is the crore period, this is the lakh period, and this is thousands period, and this is ones period. Come on, children. How to read this one? Yes, 430 crore 26 lakh 58,497. Okay. So, this is the crore period, lakh period, thousand period, ones period. Okay, ma? First, you read out the number from the highest place. 430 crore 26 lakh 58,497. Yes, write down 400 430 crores, 430 crores, 26 lakh, 58,000, 497, 97. Is it clear to you children how to write the number name in the Hindu Arabic system? Yes, first you take down the disease, after we will keep commas, next you write the places above the disease, then it becomes very easy to write. Okay ma? And next, international system. Note down this in your homework book. I will show you how to write the international system. Okay, international system. So in the international system, come on, tell me the how to keep commas, Nana. Yes, start from the right side. Every 3 digits after comma, 3 digits after comma, 3 digits after comma, 3 digits after comma. Come on, tell me the place value. This is ones period, and this is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So thousands period, and this is million, 10 million, 100 million. It is a million period, and this is billion. M for million, B for billion, Nana. So my dear children, you have to learn the place value chart of the Indian system and international system. Come on, tell me the place value chart of international system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Okay. So start from the right side. Every 3 digits after we should keep comma. Okay. Now you read out this number name. 4, what is this? Billion. 4 billion, 302 million. So this is 0, Nana. 302 million, 658,497. Okay. How to write? 4 billion, 302 million, 658,497. Yes, write down. 4 billion, 302 million, 658,000, 497. 497. So if you learn how to write the number name in the both systems, then we can write so many problems. Okay ma? So try to understand how to write the number name in Hindu Arabic system, that means Indian system, and international system. Okay Nana? Hindu Arabic system and Indian system both are same, Nana. Okay. So before writing the number name, just you have to know how to keep the commas and how to place the how to write the place value chart. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and after that lakh comes in the Indian system. But here 100,000. Here you must be very careful. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. This is the place value chart of the international system. Okay ma? Note down in your homework book, Nana. Next, write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Second Roman, how to write in expanded form. So second Roman, write in expanded form. My dear children, you have to write along with me. See here. Okay, how to write the expanded form of this number. So first, this is the Indian system. Okay ma, Indian system only known, start from the right side, first 3 digits after comma, then after 2 digits, then after 2 digits. Okay, now see ma, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. That means it's the crore period, lakh period, and this is thousands period, and this is ones period. Now you have to write the expanded form. 40 crore. See here children, the 4 in 10 crores place. So 4 10 crores means 40. So 40. So if you don't know how many zeros you have to keep, just close the 4 and how many digits are there. Instead of those digits we will keep zeros. Here 5 is there, 1 0. Here 2 numbers, 2 zeros. 2 numbers, 2 zeros. 3 numbers, 3 zeros. Finish. 40 crores is completed. Next, place 5. Close the 5 and see how many digits are there. 2 zeros, again 2 zeros, 3 zeros. Place 30 lakh. What is this? 10 lakhs means 30 lakh. Close the 3 and write 30. See Nana, 30 lakh. Place 2 lakh, and lakhs you know that very well. 5 zeros. 4,000. There is no 10,000 Nana. If the 10,000 place is 0, you will keep 0 only. 4,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 8. So this is called the expanded form. So the method of expressing the place values of all the digits in the given number is known as the expanded form. See children, it is a 10 crores. So 40 crores plus 5 crore plus 30 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 4,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 8. So if you have any confusion how many zeros we have to keep, just I'll explain on small trick. Close the 4 and see how many digits are there. Instead of all these digits we'll keep zeros. That is becomes 40 crores. Next, close the 5 and instead of remaining digits we'll keep zeros. 5 crore. Okay, like that. We'll write the expanded form. Okay ma? And next, another expanded form. See. Okay, how to write this expanded form? Yes, 3 digits after comma, 3 digits after comma. They are given like this. So it is an international system of numeration. So my dear children, by observing the commas, we can decide whether the numbers are Indian system or international system. Here 3 digits after comma, then after 2 digits, then after 2 digits means it's a Indian system. But here every 3 digits after comma, that means it's an international system of numeration. Okay Nana? Come on, tell me the place value chart. Yes, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Same like that, 800 million. 8, close the 8, how many digits are there? You have to keep commas. 800 million plus 40 million, 40 million plus 0. 0 means need not to write. Here also 0, need not to write. So if you have to mention, keep 0 in that place. Plus 40,000 plus 6,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 8. Very, very easy Nana to write the expanded form. 800 million, 40 million. There is no number, so that you keep 0, 0. Next it is 10,000. So to avoid the confusion also, note down that places 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, TM is 10 millions, 100 millions. So 800 million, 40 million, 0, 0, 40,000, 6,000, 400 plus 30 plus 8, finish. Okay. Now next, how many 5 digits numbers are there in all? How to find out the number of digits? Sima, next one, third Roman, how many 5 digit? How many 5 digit numbers are there in all? So how to write this? Yes, to get this total number of 5 digit numbers. So there we have to use one formula to get the 5 digit numbers. So greatest 5 digit number minus smallest 5 digit number plus 1. So by using this formula, we can find how many 5 digits, how many 6 digits, how many 7 digit numbers totally. Okay, Nana? What is the formula? Tell me. Greatest 5 digit number, greatest 5 digit number minus smallest 5 digit number plus 1. Can you see the board? Yes, what's the formula? Greatest 5 digit number minus smallest 5 digit number plus 1. Come on, tell me the greatest 5 digit number. Yes, all lines. 99,999. Smallest 5 digit number 10,000. Okay, plus 1. So first you subtract this. 9 minus 1, 8. That means 89,999 plus 1. If you subtract these two, you will get 89,999 plus 1. That becomes 90,000. So there are how many 5 digit numbers? Yes, 90,000 5 digit numbers are there in all. Okay. So how many 5 digit numbers are there in all? So you find this by using the formula greatest 5 digit number minus smallest 5 digit number plus 1. Greatest number 99,999, smallest means 10,000. If you subtract these two, you will get 89,999 plus 1. So it becomes 90,000. Okay, ma? Is it clear? Suppose they are asking how many 6 digit numbers. How can you write? Yes, by using the same formula. But here they are asking 6 digit means you also write the greatest 6 digit number and the smallest 6 digit number. And you have to subtract. Okay? Is it clear to you, children? They are asking 5 digits. Then we have to subtract the greatest 5 digit number and the smallest 5 digit number. Later we add plus 1. If they are asking 6 digit number, so greatest 6 digit number minus smallest 6 digit number plus 1. Okay. So 9,99,999 minus 1 lakh, that become 8,99,999 plus 1. That means 9 lakh. Okay. And one small trick I will explain to you, children. So here 90,000 no, Nana. So 6 digit means 9 lakh. Just you have to add 110. Okay. So 90,000. How many 6 digit numbers comes? 9 lakh 6 digit numbers. How many 7 digit numbers? If you add one more 0. So 90 lakh 7 digit numbers, like that. Okay. So if they are asking the process, you have to do the process like this. The total number of 5 digit numbers, you do like this. They are asking total number of 6 digit numbers, you do like this. 6 digit numbers. Greatest 6 digit number minus smallest 6 digit number plus 1. Okay, ma? Next. Ascending order. Sorry. Write each of the following in the numeral form. Write each of the following in numeral form. Numeral form means they are given already number names, Nana. So we will write 10 crores, 10 crores, 10,000. How to write this? 10 crores, 10,000. This is number name. So before going to write the numeral form, you have to keep the places. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. Here they are given 10 crores. Finish. Lakhs place, there is no lakhs. Keep 0, 0. 10,000, thousands place 10,000. There is no hundreds. 0, 0, 0. So my dear children, you have to keep the places, then it becomes very easy to write in the numeral form. Why? Because here the lakhs place is missing, Nana. So in those places you have to keep zeros. So 10 crores, 10,000. 10 crores, 10,000 only given. There is no lakhs and there is no ones, tens, hundreds. So in those places we have to keep zeros. Okay, but some children they are writing like this. 10 crores, 10. Is it 10 crores, 10, Nana? So this is wrong. So that you have to keep the places according to the place value system. Then it becomes very easy. Now, another one. 438 million. 438 million. 438 million 624,000 624,099. How to write in the numeral form? Seema, what is the highest place here? Million. That is 100 million. You see this place, 100 million. So you have to keep the places up to 100 million. Is it Indian system or international system, children? Yes, it is international system. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So this is million period, thousands period, ones period. 438 million. So we'll write 438 million. 624,000. 624,000. Finish. 99. There is no hundreds. So in this place we'll keep 0 and write 99. Okay. So 438 million 624,099. There is no hundreds. So we'll keep 0 in the hundreds place. Okay, ma? So like this we will write the numeral for the Indian system as well as an international system of numeration. Okay, note down in your homework book. And next, now fourth Roman, determine the difference between the place value and face value of 5 in okay, how to find out the place value and face value? Okay, ma? So here they are asking, yes, note down this one, Nana. So the given number is 7356852. So 3 digits after comma, then after 2 digits. Okay. One more number I want to give. Here I will keep 6. Then comma. See ma, 3 digits after comma, 2 digits after, 2 digits after. So now you have to find the difference between the place value and face value of 5. So first place value of 5. In which place is this one? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. So first we will find place value of 5 in lakhs. So it is 5 lakh. Okay, Nana? Now we will write face value. So face value of any digit is the digit itself only, no ma? So you write same 5 in the ones place. Place value, how do we get the place value? Is the product of the digit and its place. The digit is 5 and it is in lakh place. So 5 into lakh, 5 lakh. Now difference means you do subtraction. Okay, ma? 5 is greater than, so that you take borrow. So this number become 10, 9, remaining 9, and this is 4. So the answer is 4,99,995. So 5 to 10 will get 5. Okay, so determine the difference between the place value and the face value of 5. So here 2 5s are there, Nana. So first we find 1 5. Next, place value of 5 in hundreds. So place value, so another one, place value of 5 in hundreds. What is the place value of 5 in hundreds place? Yes, it is 500 only. But face value of 5, as the face value of any digit is the digit itself. Difference means you do subtraction. So can you see the board? Yes, difference equal to, so 10, 9, 5. 0 is a small number, so we can't subtract directly, so that you take borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9, 4. So the answer is 495. So like this we will find the difference between the place value and face value. Okay, ma? Note down in your homework book. And next, find the difference between the place values of 2 sevens. Fourth one is over. Now fifth one. So next model is find the difference between the, write down, Nana, find the difference between between the place values of the two sevens in okay, so in this number you have to find the difference between the place values. So place values of two sevens. Yes, here they are given two sevens. Now we have to find the place values of two sevens. So first you write the given number and we will keep commas. Yes, 3 digits after comma, 2 digits, 2 digits. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. Okay, so first we will write the place value of 7 in 10 lakhs. Place value of 7 in 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs equal to 70 lakh. How do we get the place value? The product of the digit and its place. So it's a digit and its place is 10 lakhs. 7 into 10 lakhs, 70 lakh. Now place value of 7. Here they are not asking face value, Nana. So both numbers having the place values. Now we have to find the place values and we find the difference. So place value of 7 in, what is this place? Thousands. So if you write the places like this, it becomes very easy. Place value of 7 in thousands place equal to 7,000. Where is thousands? Come on, count ones, tens, 100, 1000. So under thousands place we will write 7,000. Now difference. Difference means you do subtraction. Minus 0, 0, 0. 0 minus 7 not possible. Take borrow. 10, 9, 6. 10 minus 7, 3, 9, 9, 6. Okay, ma? So 69 lakh 93,000. What is answer? 69 lakh 93,000. Note down, Nana. Next. Sixth Roman, form the greatest six digit, greatest and smallest, 5 digit numbers, see my greatest and smallest 5 digit numbers without repeating numbers. Okay, ma? First one 49053. Come on, tell me the greatest number. Greatest 5 digit number. What is the greatest 5 digit number? Yes, if you write the digits from big to small, it is big one 95430. So 95430. That means 95,430. Finish. And smallest 5 digit number. So my dear children, here you must be very, very careful. Why? Because The smallest number is 0, but don't start with 0. Left side 0 has no value. If you start with 0, it not become 5-digit number, it become a 4-digit number. Okay, so that go to the next smallest number, that is 3. So just you have to change this 30. The next 4, 5, 9. So it's a 30,459. Is it clear to you, Nana? So 0 given in the problem. So don't start with 0 while writing the smallest number. Why? Because see children, if you start with 0, 3, 4, 5, 9, 0 has no value. Then it becomes a 4-digit number. Is it clear to you? So that you don't start with 0. Start the next smallest number, that is 3. 3, 0, 4, 5, 9. 30,459. So like this we will form the greatest and the smallest number. 5-digit numbers. Okay, ma? Yes, note down in your homework book. Now ascending order. Next 7th Roman, ascending order. Ascending order means numbers arranged from the smallest. Write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So note down this. So how to write ascending order? Small to big. First you have to observe the digits, Nana. So all the numbers are having same digits? Same number of digits? No. It's a 5-digit number, it's a 4-digit number, it's a 6-digit number, and it is also a 6-digit number. So that you have to look at that numbers and which is the smallest number. Yes, very good. 4-digit numbers are always smaller than the 5-digit and 6-digit. So first you will give number 1 for this. Next 5-digit number, very good. Next is 6-digit numbers, but here we are having 2 6-digit numbers, so that you see the highest place, 3 lakh same. Next 80,000, here 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest one, so give number 3 for that and number 4 this one. Okay, so ascending, first one AO means ascending order, 1,404, next 42,490, next 3,12,807, next 3,85,104. Okay, ma? So this is the numbers written in ascending order. Okay? If all the numbers are having same number of digits, first you have to compare the highest place. Okay, like this, highest place is same, then you go to the next place. If this place is here 8, here 1, 1 is the smallest, so that you keep 3. Okay, ma? Next to descending order. Write the numbers in descending order. Descending order means the numbers arranged from the greatest to smallest. Yes, note down. Yes. See, Nana, here this is a 5-digit, 5-digit, 5-digit. These two are 6-digit number. So 6-digit numbers are greater than the 5-digit number. So these are the 6-digit numbers. In these two, which one is the greatest? Yes, 2 lakh. So give number 1 for this. And this is 1 lakh, 2. Next, if in 5-digit number, see the highest place here, 1, 4, 1. 4 is the highest number, so give number 3. Here 1, 1, same. So that you see the next place, 9, 4. 19 is greater number, so 19,000. So give number 4 for this. And this is 5. So descending order is 2,89,172. Next, 1,49,364. Next, 48,824. Next, 19,845. Next, 14,104. Finish. So like this, we'll write the numbers in descending order. Note down in your homework. This is all revision, Nana. So in next class, we will continue the remaining concepts, children. Bye, Nana. Take care of yourself.